Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Jessica and I do beauty and lifestyle videos here on my channel. Whew. They're not my best brows, sorry, but you will see why in the video. Today I'm going to be showing you guys my review on the BOXYCHARM December box. This is their base box, so it's the one that's $25 a month. If you guys do want to get your hands on BoxyLuxe, you already have to be subscribed to BOXYCHARM, and there is a wait list, I think, to get on BoxyLuxe, but I'm doing the review on the basic one. Before we get into the video, if you guys haven't already, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I post new videos every single week, and I will leave my Instagram handle right here so you guys can go check me out on there. But if you guys want to check me out on Twitter, Pinterest, all that, I will leave those links down below. But let's just get into the video. I did try this little guy already. This is the Aesthetica Pro Series Brush Cleanser and Conditioner. This retails for $12. It says that it prolongs the life of your makeup brushes and effectively removes any makeup and dirt from your makeup tools. And guess what, guys? It actually does. I really enjoyed this. It cleans my brushes so easily, so I really enjoy this. I'm actually really happy that they put this in the box instead of giving me like 4 brushes, just because I feel like they always give brushes, which is nice. But I just really enjoyed something different this time, and I have so many brushes, so I feel like having a little brush cleanser and conditioner will really help in my little makeup collection. So I really enjoyed this guy, and I'm happy. Alright, so moving along with makeup, I'm going to be applying the Saturday Skin Waterfall Glacier Water Cream. Now this does retail for $39, so this is already more than the box itself, which is a really good deal. So when I thought of water cream, I thought of Tatcha, because Tatcha has a really good water cream. But when I opened it, it actually reminded me of the Clinique Moisture Surge. And you can even see like the consistency is a very similar. I will put like a little side by side of both of them so you guys can see how similar they are. I think Clinique is around the same price as them, if I'm not mistaken. But I mean, I just thought it was a little cool similarity that I found. So I'm gonna apply this all over my face, and this does feel like a little on the thicker side. So I'm gonna just apply that all over my skin. I feel like I applied a primer in a way. It has a really like thick consistency, but it just feels also like a primer. I don't know, it's kind of cool though. I'm just gonna use this as my primer. I'm not really gonna apply anything else on top of that. So the next thing that I'm gonna apply is the Brow Makeover Kit by Brow Bar. And this is really interesting. I've never gotten a brow set. This is in the shade medium and it retails for $30. So I zoomed you guys in a little bit just so we can see how these products apply on my brows. The only downside is that it doesn't come with a spoolie. So I'm just kind of like, it's a brow kit. It should come with a spoolie. I guess the spoolie is the brow gel, but I still need a spoolie. You know, this one has product on it, so I don't know. Oh, and it's a tinted brow gel. I don't like tinted brow gels. I just want like a nice clear brow gel. I'm gonna use this little brush from my Pure Cosmetics pencil just to brush them up, because I really like this one. I'm gonna take the little brush that it gives me, the pretty little fine tip, and I'm gonna go in with the middle shade, and I'm just going to oh, that's actually not bad. Okay. Okay, this is actually really nice. The brow shade so far. I just don't like that it's so tiny. Oh my god. The shade's a little warm for my liking, but that's actually not a bad brow. I'm gonna grab the other side, which is like this little flat side. Can you guys see that? And this is more like it's kind of like a concealer consistency. And I'm going to shape the brows. Okay, so that's actually not a bad brow. I'm gonna do the other one now. I'll be right back. All right, so I'm back and these are what my brows look like. Not bad, actually. I'm gonna go ahead with this brow gel and see what it does. Oh, hell no, I don't like that. Okay. Oh, I don't like it. I feel like it left my brows looking more orange. I really enjoyed these two shades right here. I didn't even try this one, but I don't like this brow gel. It's not good for me. I don't like it personally, because the shade just makes my brows look very warm, and I don't like that. I like mine to look a little bit more on the cooler side. I mean, it did do a good job of it, like keeping them in place, but I just don't like the color. And this little brush duo thing, I don't love because it's so small. I just have better tools that I can use to make it a little bit easier and faster. So, I mean, I'm not in love with it. I'm gonna go ahead and do my base makeup and powder, and then we can go into the eyes. Right, so the next product in the box is this Storybook Cosmetics Fairy Tales Robin Hood palette. This retails for $35, and this is what it looks like. I really like it. I like the theme, you know, it's really pretty. I don't like the packaging, so I am just very... I've tried Storybook Cosmetics before, and I really do like their eyeshadows. I just feel like their packaging is unnecessary. Like, this is a thick book. Where am I gonna place it? Like, I feel like for display it's really pretty, but if you have a place where you put all of your palettes, this is not going to fit in there, you know. So I just feel like it's a waste of space for me. But I mean, it's a cute palette. But let's just get into the eye look. I'm gonna zoom you guys in even more just so you guys can see what I'm doing to my eyes. I'm gonna take the shade, what is this called? Nottingham. It's a nice little peachy pinky shade, and I'm gonna use that as my transition shade. So I'm just gonna use that. So like I said before, I have tried Storybook Cosmetic eyeshadows before, and they're really, really nice. I do like how they blend. They're really pretty. It is a little bit more on the expensive side if you think about it, because for 6 shades, it's $35. Well, that's what it retails for. So if you think about it, it is a little bit expensive, but you know. The next shade that I'm gonna take is Merry Men, which is this green shade. I'm so happy that I put powder under my eyes, because I feel like this is gonna have some fallout. Maybe not. I'm just gonna place it there, and then I'm gonna blend it out in a minute. Hold on. This goes on pretty pigmented, but once you blend it out, it kind of minimizes the pigment, so keep that in mind. And I'm gonna take the shade Forest. I'm gonna use that just to darken up the outer edge of my eye a little bit. I look like a crazy bitch. Okay, I'm gonna take Merry Men and put that under right here. And then I'm going to blend that out with a fluffy brush. I'm actually going to take Maid Marian, and that's this pretty yellowy gold. And I'm just gonna put that on the inner under eye part. I'm gonna go ahead and apply mascara now, just to kind of bring this look back together. The next product that I'm going to use is the Ciate London. Is that how you pronounce it? I'm not sure. This is their Marbled Light Illuminating Blusher, and this retails for $26. Adds a radiant flush of color to your complexion, and it's formulated without talc. It also says that this is a lightweight buildable formula. It has a blend of matte pigments and finely milled illuminating particles. So we're going to see. This does look very, very pretty. I'm gonna take it a little bit high up just so it kind of looks nicer. Stick some on the nose. I'm gonna apply some setting spray. Take some highlighter just to highlight the inner part of my eye, because there's not like a really nice illuminating highlight in the palette. Next, I'm gonna just line my lips and put some lipstick on. So I'm gonna use my KKW lip liner, and this is in Nude 3. Oh my god, this is giving me like chola vibes. The brows, it's the brows, it's the brows, it's the brows. All right guys, so this is the finished look. This is giving me major chola vibes because I did like the bold liner and like a lighter lip, and then the brows are so intense. It's giving me major chola vibes. I'm going to tell you guys my favorite things out of the box and my not so favorite things out of the box. So my favorite things out of this whole box was definitely the Aesthetica brush cleanser. The blush I thought was super beautiful, and the Saturday Skin Waterfall water cream. I feel like it did leave my skin feeling very nice and smooth. So it does work like a primer. I feel like it can work like a primer. It's more of a moisturizer, but there's some people that use moisturizer as a primer. There's some people that don't use primer at all. So this is a really nice step to include into my skincare. I really like how it applied on my skin, so was really happy with these three things. Now, the brow kit. I feel like it left my brows looking really crazy. The eyeshadows were okay. I just feel like I already have something like this in my collection that I don't need it. So this was all right, but if you add up all of these three things, it's gonna be more than $90. So I feel like that's already more than the box itself. So I don't really care if I didn't use, like, if I didn't like these two, because this itself is worth more than the box. You know what I mean? So I did like the box. I just didn't really love these, and that's okay. That's what BOXYCHARM is for. It gives you options. You might like them, you might not. That's what it's all about. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I post new videos every single week, and I will leave all of my social media links down below so you guys can go check me out on there. But thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.